Hello everyone and welcome back. It's time for a challenge lecture to put your new skills to the test. We've learned enough now that before we continue to learn more about URL mappings, we should challenge you to make sure you can test out your new skills. I want you to complete the following tasks. First, create a new Django project and call it something like Pro2 or Project 2. Then, create a new Django application and you can call it App2 or Application 2, and this will go inside that new Django project. Then I want you to create an index view inside of that new Django application, and I want you to have it return this line, my second app wrapped in emphasis tags. So note that this is actual HTML code. The reason I'm asking you to do this is because I want you to explore what happens when you actually put a string of HTML code instead of just a normal string. Then I want you to link that view to the urls.py file and run your server to make sure it actually returned that new index view you created. In the next lecture, we're going to go through the steps of this challenge task. Best of luck. I know you already have all the knowledge needed to complete this task, but in case you get stuck on anything, you can refer back to the previous lectures or you can view the upcoming solutions lecture. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.